Kublai pi baro, ni pediang saubai pi syakatup kubor mataka janmid. Shwaban paj ki kubor ki babania ngin nyepet shwai ki mat bakongsan. Ya Shaprang ke Pravasi Bhartiya Divas Convention ke Balai Sengi Linter ha Indore, where Menteri Ketenat Information and Broadcasting di Samla Kari dan Wan Sengkam ha India. On pediang Menteri Rangba ke Jelai ya ke Uniform Civil Code bat ong, bakanikan kata ya ke Dairiti bat kerukom ki brio ha katan stela mi ni. Banjur Konrad Sangma baka sorkar kan jai beteng banyak cakmat ya kejeng keren penbet put baka jela Assam badong baka hukum da kayeng bisa Supreme Court halor ke MOU kan longkat kum kapor bela penbet. Batlanang penyar ya ke Kabinet ha Himachal Pradesh da kejeng penbab smai saya nyongut ki menteri. Ki kubor ki babnia. Menteri Ketenat Information and Broadcasting, Sports and Youth Affairs Anurag Thakur ula weri ki samla ke India ki basa Shabari ban pin bha bat shim ya karukom sengkam ha India da ka baong ki don shibon ki lat ki linti ban kamai ha India ula kren ya kane ha kasngi baningkong jongka Pravasi Bhartiya Divas Youth Conference kabla long ha Indore ula ong ba ki don ki lat thamai halor kumno ban kamai khamtam ha ka kam bia day bat ka hau bat ki drones. Kani ka convention ka balai sengi linter lasdang na du menta ka sengi ha Indore Madhya Pradesh. Ya kani ka convention on play da Menteri Rangba du kari Narendra Modi la syai ka sengi. National President Jongka Seng NPP ubalongru Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma habakren bat kinong patai kubor hinin ka sengi ulaong baka Uniform Civil Code lani UCC kalong ke aka ka bomla satya ban priang da ka Seng Jong U. Kumta ulaong baka UCC bill kadai ka bill shimet ka bill jongka sarkar bat namar kata kamdon kanu ka jingtip ka batikna ha ka balawan ra ya kani ka bill. Konrad ula kubur baka UCC kan kata ya ka dairiti bat karukom jong ki brio ha ka than stela mi ngi khamtam yi kinong shong snong ki ba shong basa ha Meghalaya.
Anything that happens should not affect the culture. Is a private member's bill. It's not a government bill, number one. And hence there was no specific information that this particular bill was being brought in was there because it was a private member's bill. So private member's bill can come up and it has come up. So that's number one. So it's not a government bill, it's a private member's bill. Number two, the Uniform Civil Code and the kind of approach that is there to the Uniform Civil Code will very, very extremely and in a very negative manner impact the culture and the way of life of the tribes of the Northeast and the culture of the Northeast, and especially among the matrilineal tribes, especially in the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma ulaong baka hukum jong kayeng bishar ka bahkli du jong kari India lane ka Supreme Court kalapin sange shua shipor ya karai jong kayeng bishar ke Jela Meghalaya hakabia day bat ka jing pin sange no shua ya ka dorkhas jong ka jing yas ngau tho jingmut lane ka Memorandum of Understanding hapadang ke Jela Assam bat Meghalaya kalalong thik kat kom ka jing khmi linti jong ka sarkar habakren chakinong pathai khubor usangma ulaong baka sarkar kalakren shai bakarai bashipor jong kayeng bishar ke la Meghalaya kan sa sya pensange no hakayeng bishar ka bakhli du jong kari Menteri Rangba ulaong ru ba kabenta ka baar jong kajing kren halor ki kam khaput kalayat halaga jong kalinti ula pintiknaru baka sarkar jong u kalarai kut bandang yai biteng shat ya ki jing kren ya ki kam khaput ba ka Jela Assam.
We were very clear that this will be stayed by the Supreme Court. We have approached the Supreme Court, and as we expected, the Supreme Court had stated. So therefore, when some of you were questioning and asking why now what you're going to do, I had mentioned very, very clearly to all of you that we will appeal, and we are hopeful to get a stay on it, and that's what happened. We had a lot of challenges in the past. You are all aware about it. So hence, we'll have to smoothen out those challenges and those incidents that happened. Unless we are not able to move forward from that, we'll not be able to take this discussion forward. So we have had a major setback to the talks in terms of those incidents, but that does not mean that the talks will stop does not mean that we will not further pursue the border issue. We will pursue it and we will take it to the logical.
Ka Menteri Ketenat Pelateng ka Nirmala Sitharaman mentaka sengi ka laong baka de ka bor perkhat perdan jong ki samla ka ba ai men sim ya kari ban jam chaprang kala ong ru bahakari hi menta kala don shibun ki nong yalam ki bom bam sap Henry ki tre na ka benta ka jing bha jong ki pai nong shong shnong ka Nirmala kala benrap bakala hun ka men sim ha ka bakala yo ban ya don benta lang bat kini ki riu pro jabing kala penpau ya kane baro ha ka por baka dang ai jingkren ha ka yuva shakti samvat ha kota. Ka Cabinet ha Himachal Pradesh belakli do Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu metakasngi kalarang buon pat hadian kejing pen itu saya nyongut ki menteri bat baro ki dan kendai ngut. Ulat kejela u Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar ulapen bam smai ya kini ki menteri Haraj Bhavan. Kini ki menteri bathamai ki kintop yo MLA bakham rangba udhani Ram Shandil na Solan, u Chander Kumar na Javali jongka Kangra district, u Harsh Vardhan Chauhan na Shilai jongka Simor district, but u Jagat Singh Negi na kajat benrio Ritpat Kinor district. Kadba u menteri rangba u Sukhwinder Sukhu ringkat u sembut menteri rangba u Mukesh Agnihotri kilasha penbam smai haka khatway tarik unopra. U menteri rangba u Conrad Sangmah ning kasngi ulat herting yakinong wo nia kiblawan ra yakamat kabiade bak jing play ya ka PA Sangma Stadium ka bampat dep Teipura kani ka project ka Shongdor hadu shispa arput nyok lur tingka bat khandai pho na ka shispa on bay tingka da ka sarkar padeng ula ong bakam dei satya ban penlong ya ka stadium kom kamat election u menteri khna jong ka sarkar padeng u bakhmi ya ka State for Minority Affairs u John Barla hakapor ba ulet chatura mena ka sngi tho ding ulalap balade play ya ka stadium do Conrad Sangma ka ba ompat dep teilut haba kali jingkli u Conrad ula ong bakane ka project ka don artli ki benta ka beningkong ka de ka football stadium bar ka ba ar ka de ka indoor stadium ula pensyai de ka ba ong ba ya ka indoor stadium on satay no shen bar kumta ta ya ka benta beningkong jong ka football stadium la dep teilut na dong shadong
और पीए संगमा स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स ये हमारे माइनॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट के द्वारा से ये बनाया गया प्रधानमंत्री जन विकास कार्य के द्वारा ये सेंट्रल फंड है 90% हमने ये फंड दे के इसको बना रहे हैं सेंट्रल फंड से लेकिन आज हम देख रहे हैं इनॉग्रेट कर रहे हैं हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर लेकिन ये सारा फंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का है कहीं किसी जगह भी मेंशन नहीं किया है ना ऊपर में ये अभी कंप्लीट भी नहीं हुआ है और इसको इनॉग्रेट कर लिया है कम से कम कंप्लीट हो जाए
The signboards are not there for anything that has to say that this has been funded by Government of India, Government of Meghalaya. We have always, and in the public meeting also we announced that this has been funded by the Minority Affairs Department of Government of India. We have maintained this from day one. That's number one. Number two is that the project has two sections to it. First section is the football stadium and the second section is an indoor stadium. The indoor stadium is yet to start and hence only the first part, this football stadium, has been completed.
Menteri Keterat Fisheries, Animal Husbandry but Dairying Upar Shuttam Rupala unsale yuk jat South West Garo Hills District la shai kasngi kani gadi kasian ka baningkong ba menteri jong ka sarkar pedeng un let ka district ka badon hagi jaka khaput uni menteri un sapenyai ru ya ka jingalang la shai kasngi halor ki scheme ba pher da ka sarkar ha ampati South West Garo Hills ringkat ki he officer ka sarkar bar ki nong yo binta Mentapat nganya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha shilong. Ka jing shit kalong khat khandai point r degree Celsius bar ka jing kriat kalong khandai point nyo degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka haw kalong nyo pusaw na ka shi spa men step bat prapun rio na ka shi spa jan meet. Ka sun meneng kan rang ha shilong. Sa shisin pat ni penkamau ya pi baya kani ka kubor jungi pila ban pet haka jo ka por haka YouTube channel badru pila ban pet ki kubor ba man la kasngi haka Facebook Twitter but Instagram jong ka Didi News Shillong Shwaban poi ka pakot jong ka thuk kubor nganya pet biang sa shisin ki mat ba kongsan Yai Shukrang ka Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention ka Balaisni Linter ha indoor where Menteri Ketenat Information and Broadcasting di Samla Kari ban Wang Seng Kam ha India On pediang Menteri Ramba ke jela ya ke uniform civil code bat ong bakani kan kata ya ke dei riti bat kerukom kibriu hakathan ste lami ni. Banjur Konrad Sangma baka sorkar kan yai beteng ban yai syakmat ya ke jinga keren penbek put bat ke jela Assam bat ong baka hukum da ke yeng bishar Supreme Court halor ke MOU kan longkat kum kapor bela penbek. Balanang penyaya ke Kabinet Himachal Pradesh da ke jingpan bam smai saya nyawut ki menteri. Te parlok atung ila poy syaka pakot janggot huk kubor jingi metaga janmit hadu bangin de syambiang bat pila syai kesngi kublei pi baro.
Cold waves can be dangerous for locals of